Choosing the right TV for your home can be overwhelming. With so many acronyms OLED, QLED, QNED, it's easy to get lost in the tech jargon. But don't worry, we are here to help you understand the key differences between these three popular TV technologies OLED, QLED, and QNED. Let's start with OLED, which stands for Organic Light Emitting Diode. OLED panels are a breakthrough in television technology because each individual pixel in an OLED screen is self-lightening. That means every pixel emits its own light rather than relying on a backlight. This gives OLED TVs several key advantages. Since each pixel can be turned off completely, OLED displays can show absolute black. This creates an exceptional contrast ratio where bright areas of the image pop while dark scenes are rich and deep. OLED panels don't need a backlight, so they can be incredibly thin, often just a few millimeters thick. OLED TVs maintain color accuracy and brightness even when viewed from the side, unlike traditional LCDs. However, OLED technology isn't without its downsides. One limitation is that OLED screens are more susceptible to burn-in, where static images like logos or UI elements could leave a permanent mark on the screen over time. Next up, QLED or Quantum Dot LED. QLED is a technology developed by Samsung and is essentially an advanced form of LCD televisions. Unlike OLED, QLED panels still rely on a backlight, but they use a layer of quantum dots to enhance the image. Here is how it works. The backlight shines through a layer of quantum dots, tiny semiconductor particles that emit every specific colors when hit by light. This enhances the brightness and color accuracy of the display. Because of this quantum dot layer, QLED TVs have some major strengths. QLED TVs can get much brighter than OLED, which is great for watching TV in well-lit rooms or during the day. Since the pixels are not self-emitting, there is no risk of burn-in on QLED displays. However, QLED has a few trade-offs compared to OLED. Since QLED relies on a backlight, it can't achieve the same perfect blacks as OLED. There is always some light leakage around dark scenes. QLED TVs tend to be a bit thicker because of the need for a backlight. Now, let's talk about QNED, which is a relatively newer technology developed by LG. QNED stands for Quantum Dot Nanocell Emitting Diode. It combines two key technologies, quantum dots and LG's nanocell technology, and it uses a mini LED backlight for better control of lighting. QNED aims to combine the best of both worlds. Thanks to the mini LED backlight, QNED TVs can achieve better contrast and more precise local dimming, meaning bright areas remain bright and dark areas stay dark, similar to OLED. The quantum dots and nanocell technology work together to provide excellent color reproduction and accuracy. But there are still a few things to consider. QNED TVs are still a bit thicker compared to OLED, as they rely on backlight system. Although the mini LED backlight allows for better dimming, it still can't quite match OLED's ability to turn off individual pixels for true black levels. If you want perfect blacks, incredible contrast, and an ultra-thin design, OLED is the way to go. If you want an extremely bright TV with no risk of burn-in, QLED offers fantastic color and brightness for well-lit rooms. And if you are looking for something that combines advanced color accuracy and a better dimming system than regular LEDs, QNED offers a compelling middle ground. At the end of the day, each technology has its strengths and weaknesses. But now that you understand the differences, you are in a better position to choose the one that's right for you.